Harbor Breeze ceiling fans are among the most popular residential fans, and understanding how to program their remotes is essential for proper operation. The programming process involves three main components: the handheld remote control, the receiver unit installed in the fan's canopy, and the ceiling fan itself. The programming process follows a specific sequence. First, turn off the circuit breaker for 10 to 15 seconds, then restore power. Within 30 seconds of restoring power, you must press and hold the learn or pair button on the receiver unit. The 30-second timing window is critical. Most programming failures occur when users exceed this time frame, so timing is essential for success. The receiver unit is installed in the fan's canopy and contains the learn or pair button. This unit processes signals from the remote and typically has LED indicators to show programming status. Modern Harbor Breeze remotes use rolling code technology, which automatically generates new codes during each pairing session. This prevents interference from other devices and enhances security. Successful pairing is indicated by several signs: LED lights blinking on the receiver, the fan motor responding, light fixtures flashing, or the remote buttons beginning to function properly. Understanding these fundamentals is crucial for successful Harbor Breeze remote programming. Remember, the 30-second timing window after restoring power is the most critical factor for success. Harbor Breeze ceiling fan remotes can be programmed using three different methods, depending on your fan model and age. The most common method uses a Learn button located on the receiver unit inside the fan canopy. This purple button is your key to successful pairing. Older Harbor Breeze models use DIP switches for programming. You must match the switch positions on both the remote and receiver unit. There are 8 different configuration patterns available. The newest Harbor Breeze models feature auto-learn technology with simplified one-button pairing and automatic frequency detection. When your Harbor Breeze remote isn't working properly, there are 3 main issues to check: battery problems, pairing issues, and interference. If your remote isn't responding at all, the first thing to check is battery orientation and charge level. Always use fresh, name-brand batteries for best results. If some functions work but others don't, you likely need to repair the remote using the Learn button method. This reestablishes the connection between remote and receiver. Interference from other devices can disrupt remote signals. You can resolve this by changing DIP switch configurations or relocating interference sources like Wi-Fi routers or other electronics. When proper procedures are followed, Harbor Breeze remotes have a 92% success rate. The most common failure causes are timing errors during the 30-second pairing window, low battery conditions, and interference from other devices.